Hi guys, this is Dexter. Yeah. Today I'm going to show you how to screen a stock using mplus Wix Lite. Okay, mplus Wix Lite. So this is mainly for my mplus client or others mplus user. Okay, let's say if you want to become my members, you can always PM our Facebook, PM my Telegram, or just fill up the Google Forms. Okay, that you can always see in the Telegram or Facebook page. All right. So so when the time you log into mplus, you are suggested to use Internet Explorer. Okay, Internet Explorer. Okay, once you log in, this is page you can see. Okay, basically you will see all stock over here. Okay, don't worry if you don't understand any terms, you can always PM me. Okay, so let's say for example today we choose one stock. Okay, we choose the most active one. Okay, all right, so um let's say Amada. Okay, you can simply click on the Amada and then you right click, then you will see mplus Wix Lite, and then you just click. Okay, this is a free software for every mplus user. All right, so you can see, okay, this screen is a Amada technical charts. Okay, so basically you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, you can drag or you can right click to undrag. Yeah, okay, basically right click is zoom out. If you select here, select like this select like this means that you want to zoom in from April to September, just like this. Okay, just like this. Let's say you want to zoom into June, from June to September, right? Okay, here is June so you can just click, you select, and then you just drag. Okay, so you can see this is from June to September. Okay, if you want to zoom out, you just right click. Okay, so how to use this software? Okay, how to use this software? So basically this software helps you to define the resistance level and support level. Okay, so first of all, you can see on the top side. Okay, here you can see D plus, right? D plus. Okay, okay, I close everything here first. The support resistance, I close here first, and then I click on this. Okay, basically you can choose 1 minute, 5 minute, or 10 minute. Okay, if you want to see daily chart, you just pick daily plus. Okay, what is the plus means that if you, okay, let's say you compare with daily and daily plus. Yeah, if you click on daily, means that you only see the previous day data. Okay, it will not update. Okay, so if you choose daily plus, let's say today is Monday, right? The market is open, and then you can see there is a new candle over here. Okay, this is means that is updating. Okay, is live updating candlestick. So you will see one candlestick over here. Okay, basically I see hourly or 30 minutes or 15 minutes. You can just simply choose like this. Okay, all these are the live data. Okay, let's say for the example we choose daily plus. Okay, daily plus, so you can see this is a technical chart for Amada. Okay, for Amada, so you can see the green color one is a volume. Okay, green color is a volume. So red color is also volume, but red colors means that they the debt they that day is coming down, is a, I mean is a share price dropping in share price. Let's say you see a white bar means that the day the share price is going up. okay, then you can see the green volume bar. Okay, green volume bar. If you see red volume bar, means that that day is coming down. Okay, that day is coming down. So basically, if for me, right, because I study technical analysis, and then I can simply know where is the support. Okay, this is a support 0.25 or 0.21, 0.225 or 0.15. If you don't know how to draw, right, you can simply click this S/R. This is means that support and resistance. You can click, and then the software will automatically draw to you. Okay, if you unclick, it will cancel it. If you click, then you can see. Okay, this is a support, first support, second support, then here also support. This is showing that support broken, resistance level. Okay, this is very useful for the beginners. Okay, sometimes I'm also open this chart to see what stock can I look for. Okay, so this is the basics of the support and resistance. Okay, one thing that I found out quite useful is that here you can choose many indicator. You can put MA is a moving average, MA2 moving average 2. So you can simply click on the setting over here, and then you can update it to what you want. Okay, what you want. Normally I put 10 for first one, and then you can put second MA, you can put 20. Okay, the third one you can put 50. The fourth one you can put 200. Okay, 200. There is a meaning. Okay, there is a meaning for all these setting. MA10, MA20, MA50, MA200. This is a very basic thing. You can just simply Google. Okay, yes, you can just simply Google it. Okay, so you can simply click on what indicator you want to look for. You want to use in this chart. Okay, so the next thing is, okay, on this alert, right, if you click on the default one, should be Bursa lah. So you can see every stock over here. When the time it hits your setting or your rules. Okay, how to set the rules? Okay, hey, oops, I think this should be the automatic. Here. Okay, you can click on here, then you can set your own rules over here. Okay, normally I pick that for daily plus only lah. So you can put minimum price is how much, maximum price is how much. You can simply define what stock, like how the share price you want to see, how much is the share price of the stock. I mean, you can simply okay, let's say today I want to see 1 ringgit to 2 ringgit only. So you can just put 1 and 2, and then you click apply. Okay, so the rules over here, right, you can simply choose. Okay, all these are the indicator that provided by mplus.online. Some of it you cannot pick because it is belongs to mplus weeks pro version. That one you need to pay. Okay, that one you need to pay. So here I think the rules over here already quite useful. Okay, quite useful. You can simply, let's say I want to see the bullish one only. Bullish one means that resistance breakout with volume. Okay, bullish MACD. Then I close the bearish one. Okay, I close the bearish. Okay, then okay, let's say like this. You can just okay, after you click, right, the screen, okay, you can see the list over here has been reduced, right? So it show that the stock over here is based on the rule you set. Okay, let's say for example I click everything, so you can see a lot of shares showing up. Okay, this is a list that hits the rules. Okay, normally I don't put everything over here lah. I just put bullish because whenever I do not know what share to look into, I can simply use this one. Okay, after that you can see a list of the share coming up, so you can just double click on the charts. Okay, so mplus weeks it will show you the uh, uh, green 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 arrow over here, means that during this daily chart, it actually hit your rules bullish MACD crossover. So when it hits the rules, it will show in the list in Bursa alert over here. So let's say, okay, let's say you do not know what share to buy, you can always use this function, this alert function. It is very useful. Okay, for example, resistance breakout with high volume for HLT from last Friday. Okay, last Friday is about 11 September. Okay, so if you see exactly, I mean, if you know support and resistance, you will know that this candle actually is bigger than previous two candle, means that it's a temporary resistance breakout. Okay, here also when the chart also showing you that, okay, this is really I mean short-term bullish with a very high volume, and then the candle is a white candle, means that the share price is going up. So this alert actually help you to screen out the share that hits the rules over here. Okay, so next one you can see on the Kananga also is the same. Okay, this is green arrows, means that the buy signal, showing a the buy signal that show in this charting. Okay, this is quite useful. You guys can look into it. Okay, so if you want to draw something, if you want to draw, right, if you want to draw it, you can always, okay, I close it off first. Okay, I close first, then you can always double, you can draw like this. Okay, you can simply draw lah, and then you can just save this image. You can snapshot. Okay, you can snapshot. Okay, quite useful, this chart. Okay, so you can discover it here. All right, this is undo. Okay, all right. So for the announcement, you also can see over here lah. This is this company HLT announcement. If you click on HLT, then you click on announcement, so you basically will see everything, the announcement from here. Okay, you can pick the news, everything here. Okay, so very useful, very useful. So let's say this is a comment, right? This is an auto generate comment from the from the mplus Wix Lite. Okay, you can turn it off. You can turn it off by clicking this button. Okay, let's say if you want to view four stock in a one screen, you can just click on this. Okay, this icon, and then you pick two by two. Okay, two by two. So for the green one, it's for HLT. So let's say I want to set this second screen, and then I can click the share. You can click the share here. So and my EG will show here. So the next one I click Kanaga. So Kanaga will show here. Okay, so and then the next one I pick 3A. Then 3A will show here. Okay, so you can always pick the one you're comfortable with. Okay, normally I pick 2. Okay, because my screen quite small. Okay, if your screen is quite big, you can pick 2 by 2. Okay, you can see the chart, and then make sure that the interval you must pick daily plus, or you pick either 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, because all this is live. Okay, live. If you pick only daily without the plus, means that the data is, I mean, it's based on previous day. Okay, previous day. Okay, so this software quite useful for the beginner also, because when you do not know where is the resistance level, you can always open the chart. You can just click this one button only. So the software will define for you. Okay, software will define for you. Okay, so this is basically the mplus Wix lah. So you can simply I mean, when you got any free time, you just go and try yourself, explore yourself. Okay, so Okay, so this is Wix Lite. So let's say if you want to make order, you can just pick the share and click buy. Okay, click right click and then buy or sell everything. Okay, so basically this video only for teaching mplus Wix Lite. Okay, thank you.